Today I'm going to make these beautiful flowers called Lavatera Rosea. Very pretty and very easy to make. Materials required are crepe paper in pink, green, thick wire for stem, thin wire. This is a reddish brown colored pencil, a white colored pencil, a pink colored pen, green floral tape, some tissue paper and cotton wool. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the stemon. This is 1 centimeter by 5 centimeters. Cut 1 piece per flower. This is of the petal. This is 7 centimeters by 4 centimeters. And the stem is 1 by 1 centimeter. Cut 5 pieces per flower. These are of the sepals. This is a smaller sepal. This is 2 by 2.5 centimeters. Cut 1 each for flower and bud. And this is for the apicalyx. This is 2 by 2.5 centimeters. Again cut 1 each for flower and bud. This is of the leaf. This is 4.5 by 5.5 and the smaller one is 4 by 4 centimeters. Cut as many as you like. For the bud, first cut a piece of thin wire and this would be around 5 centimeters long. Now take some cotton wool, a little piece. Take the wire, apply glue on one end and just stick this wool on it. Like this. Then take the piece for the bud, stretch it. Apply glue and stick it on top of this cotton wool. Like this. Now take the sepal, apply glue on it, and stick it with the points of the sepal just reaching the top of the bud. So you may have to give a few creases. And just twist the piece. Like this. Now take the apicalyx and just individually just stretch each of these sepal shapes. Apply glue. Stick it slightly below the sepal, and again you may have to give creases. And take the green floral tape. Just now peel open these apicalyx sepals. So this is how the bud would look. For the flower, first take a petal and take the white colored pencil and just sort of, color 2 or 3 areas like this. Then take the reddish brown pencil and just give strokes. Like this. Take the red pink colored pen and draw a triangle at the base. Just color it in. Like so. So I have done with the others also the same way. Now take the petal and just pull the top part, bending it backwards. Then give a few creases like this. This is how the petal would look. Now just put glue on a petal and a little on the side. Like so. So I'll just leave it to dry. Now cut a piece from the tissue paper, just about 1 inch wide. And cut a piece of thin wire. So this would be around 8 centimeters, 8.5 centimeters long. Take the tissue paper, fold it, apply glue, and wind it on this wire. Like so. Then take the piece for the stamen, fold it in half, and just make fine cuts on it. Leaving a little on the other side. Like this. So I'll just do with the whole strip. So this is how it will look. Now just curl them. Apply glue on the base. Take the wire and start winding it from the top. And then take it down at a taper. Just ruffle them up a bit. So this is how this piece would look. Now take the petals, apply glue on all the stems, on the side of one petal. Keep the stamen just above the glue area. You have to fit it so that it doesn't overlap too much, the last petal and the first petal. This is how it will look. Take the sepal, stretch it a bit, apply glue, and stick it just below the flower. Take the epicalix and in the same way as I did for the bud, take the green tape, so this is how the flower would look. Now just hold two petals together like this, like one like this, and then just bend it. So this is how it will look after it's finished. Now take a piece of thin wire. This is about 8 centimeters for the leaf. Take a piece of the green tape and just bind it on this wire. Like so. Take the leaf, so just score in the center of each, and then just stretch the edges. So it looks crumpled up like this. Turn it over and apply glue on the base. And stick this wire on it. Like so. So similarly I have made the other leaves also, the bigger ones and the smaller ones, in the same manner. Now to assemble it all, just take the green tape, a long piece, stretch it, take the thick wire. So first take one bud. So it won't have much of a stem. Wind once or twice and take a leaf. So leave about 1.5 centimeters long stem of the leaf. Then take another bud. Another small leaf. Slightly more gap, and take a flower. So this would have about 2 centimeters long stem, and then a leaf below it, because all the flowers they grow from the axil of the leaf, the joint. Take another flower. Touching another one. So now just open them out. Like this. So this is how the branch would look.